Hello everyone, UK Financier here. Hope you are all well. What a crazy year we've just had, but at least we can finally see some form of light at the end of the tunnel, as things begin to get back to normal. During the pandemic, we here at UK Financier realised there was a gap in the financial education market. We devoured hours and hours of content here on YouTube to realise that most of the videos regarding laws, tax, personal finance, investments, and so on were mainly about the US. So we decided to create a channel that is more UK focused. We are excited to share all that we have been working on with you guys. We're just putting together the finishing touches to our content, and then it will be ready for the world to see. Thank you to those that will be our day one supporters, and those of course that will come on eventually. We thank you all in advance. I think it is important for you all to know that us over here in the UK have many complex finance structures, and our job here at UK Financier is to break it down to the best of our ability to give you a better understanding and the right tools to make better financial decisions. We don't know where this channel will go, but we do enjoy researching, reading and sharing, so we will do our best to use all three to bring you amazing daily content. Bye guys!